In this lesson, we're going to learn about Venn diagrams. So if we have a problem like this that says put the diamond in the Venn diagram. So here's the diagram, here's the diamond, and then here's the Venn diagram. Okay? So the first step is to understand what each circle shows. So we're going to understand what's inside this circle and then what's inside this circle. And what we're going to learn here will apply to any Venn diagram that you'll have to do in the future. Okay, so we could see that this circle shows only circles of all colors, no other shapes. Circles of all colors, okay? This circle shows only purple shapes, right? So shapes, all types of shapes, but purple. This one only shows circles of all different colors, okay? Now, the second step is to understand what the overlap of the two circles shows. So the overlap is this area here. So what does that show? The overlap shows only purple circles. So what we have to do now is decide the correct spot for the purple diamond. So we know it won't go in the overlap area because there's no diamonds in here. It's only circles. We know that the diamond will not go in here because this only shows circles. So that means this diamond, the only place for it to go would be here in this circle, on this part of the circle. So let's move that over. So let's highlight that and then move it over. So that's where it goes. And that's the answer to this. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. This is a very simple concept and you should be able to get it if you watch the video again. And like I said, when you understand this, you can apply this to any Venn diagram that you have in the future. And if you need more resources, you could check out the description. I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along this exact lesson in the ebook. Thank you so much for listening.